Hi, my name is Olaoluwa Dayomi, and I have here with me once again. It's so good to have you back. Today, I'll be asking you about the challenges you faced in the process of writing your manuscript, the whole process of Gílọlá Arómirẹ Ògìdán. Like, what were the challenges you faced, and what were those things that pushed you, to continue the process and not stop?
Well, the story that I want to be told would be told regardless of the odds that comes around with it. And I feel it's not so different for Gílọlá Arómirẹ Ògìdán. I mean, for a self-published writer who is, deliberately deviating from the norms of traditional publishing and all of that, and then, you are putting out a book in Yoruba, that in itself is a challenge within its own self. And then, there is a slim line between honest writing and, telling stories that might get you killed.
Okay.
But I mean, for me, at the end of the day, I want to tell stories as authentic and unbiased as they are. It is a fiction.
Oh.
It is a fiction. But I don't believe in the idea of fictions and non-fictions, because I mean, the ones we call fictional stories stems from certain realities of other people that we might know or we might not know. So it's a fiction and it's not entirely fictional. And then, narrating those experiences as raw as they are without holding back, without caring, what religion gets stepped on, or, what belief system gets stepped on itself is a danger. It's a narrative danger in itself. And then, I mean, there is the popular challenge every self-published writer faces, which is, funds, getting the necessary resources in place to, put out your book when you want to put it out and let it meet the standard, you want it to meet. But then when there is a will, there is always a way.
That was a very beautiful answer. Thank you so much for your time.
Absolutely.